Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Real Cricket game on your Android device. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device. This works for mobile device and tablets both. In the search bar, type in Real Cricket and search. Look for the Real Cricket game from Nautilus Mobile and tap on install. Now wait for the game to download on your device. It'll take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button. Now wait for the game to load and allow necessary permissions, and you'll then be able to load the Real Cricket game on your device. Now select a sign-in method and log in with your Google account or with Facebook, and you'll be able to play Real Cricket on your Android device. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.